From a technical standpoint of view, what do you think are three biggest issues with AI today
From a research standpoint,
in terms of technicalities of AI, right? The way it has been modeled, the way we are going after this big data, we are taking certain approaches as opposed to maybe
I,
symbolic reasoning and other
as far
things.
as I'm concerned, the evolution of language models has always been happening. When you have access to data and you have the access to actually play around with weights real time, these models become more and more accurate.
Yeah.
Will it be 100% no? Now, what are the challenges? The challenges are to kind of smartly bring in aspects of LLM, but have models which are reasonably precise and make sure that they come together to solve something at basically 100% accuracy, because that can be done if you actually bring. So that is where the real challenge is, because we're getting a lot of publications, we're getting a
Mm.
lot of benchmarks, but these benchmarks are useless. Like, for example, I wrote a compiler for HP. Then I had to kind of benchmark it on Intel, I had to benchmark it on AMD, I have to benchmark it on
Yeah.
Solaris Spark, okay, whatever, HP Apollo. Those benchmarks are benchmarks, right? How does it matter if something is faster or not? Is it useful? And that usefulness in terms of pragmatically saying that I will leverage all this to kind of improve my TRL, which is translational research, and push ideas into the 5 to 7 zone where we can actually start to push some real products out which can solve problems. Is
Mm.
very, very important.
Okay. Any other things that you feel that the path that the current AI is taking, right?
I think the path that the current AI is taking is perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong. It's a natural evolution, as I told you. For the
Yeah.
last 40, 50 years, it's been happening. Okay.
Yeah.
This isn't something which happened overnight. And people need to understand that. That's the biggest thing. If people think it happened overnight, they're the guys who are going to make mistakes.
Mm. Got
So
it.
you have to go back first principles and figure out what is our research today. Can the research be augmented? Can the research kind of be pushed in a pragmatic manner to kind of provide something as opposed to just a publication so that it solves some useful problems? I think in
Mm.
that context, AI has to be leveraged.